9/2/2025. Just gonna do a little documentation here, a little verifiable evidence. Got the goosebumps on there. They're as bad as they were. They were actually to a point of being white on the end. Since this is a documentation video, we're going to talk about what's really going on. I got knocked cross-eyed. Got left cross-eyed by an ignorant neurological system. They do it to everybody. You'll know why your children are sickly, got earaches, stuff like that. It's because the current medical system wants to live back in the 1920s. Pretty, huh? Pretty stuff. Yeah. Look how straight my back is. Ain't that pretty? Kyphosis. Ungrow it. Grow straight. Upper cervical dislocation. Missing temple pulse. Seizures. Goosebumps. Upper cervical relocation seizures. Goosebumps. I know what I got. It's a shame the medical system don't care about people being all dislocated, getting their heads all tore off when they're youngsters. Knocked cross-eyed. They seem to think it's funny walking around all humpbacked and kyphosed, living all unhealthy, at the mercy of unchecked seizures. They don't know squat about the seizures. This is just documentation to show them where I'm at, let everybody know where I'm at. You got kyphosis, curvature of the neck, hump of T1. You can thank your medical system for that. God bless. 405. Later.